I had a good tour recently, and when I came back, I decided to make a facial recognition attendance project. And of course, I had to get myself in a zone again. For a facial recognition attendance system, we first need facial recognition. So I started with that. I used our good old fashioned deepface for that. It has multiple models to choose from with varying sizes and accuracy, and it is a lot easier to integrate. When I finally coded that, I realized an issue with my system. It was also allowing pictures of faces, which of course isn't ideal for a tennis system. So I decided to integrate a liveness check. Since I didn't have a dataset of live and fake faces to train the liveness models on, I browsed internet and found one on GitHub instead. So I included that in my code and voila, facial recognition attendance system, which isn't easy to fool. Next, I included a Pygame for a good GUI and an Excel writing features for record keeping. And here we are, a deployable facial recognition written system. I have a full tutorial playlist where I will take you through on how to make it yourself. So do check it out.